Okay, so for my first step, what you guys want to do, you guys want to just wash your hair just to get rid of all that gunk that's been left in your hair and just to loosen up your curls. And I did use warm water just to open up my cuticles. And I also did have gel in my hair from a previous style, so I was just making sure that that got washed out properly. Now I'm going to be using Aussie shampoo. Alright, so I take my shampoo and I apply it to my roots, and I'm not scratching my scalp, guys. No, don't do that. I'm using the tip of my fingernails to massage my scalp. The reason why we use shampoo is to clean our scalp, so there's no reason why your scalp shouldn't be clean after shampooing. I really like this shampoo for many reasons, such as this shampoo is so moisturizing, and whenever I use it, it doesn't leave my hair feeling dry like most shampoos would. This shampoo smells really great, it lathers extremely well, so you only really need one pump, and it leaves my hair feeling extremely soft and silky. If this shampoo is something that you guys are looking for, there will be a link in my description, so make sure to go check that out. Alright, so next I just took my time just washing out the shampoo. Alright, so for my next step, I'm going to be adding conditioner to my hair, and then I'm going to show you guys the process of detangling. This conditioner gives a great slip to my hair. It works on all hair types, and it's great for thin or thick curly hair to get detangled. Alright, so this is my hair after applying the conditioner. My hair felt so soft. So I'm going to split my hair into 4 equal quadrants to help with detangling. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I take my first section and then I split that section in half. So this is the section we're going to be starting with. My hair got a little bit too dry, so I just sprayed my hair with some more water to keep my hair hydrated. Guys, try to avoid detangling your hair when it's dry. It's always best to detangle your hair when it's saturated with water. If you guys have long curly hair, I don't see why you guys wouldn't want to work in sections because it makes detangling so much easier. Alright, so here's how to detangle your hair. So I take my section for more control, and I take my wide tooth comb and I start detangling from my ends and work my way down to my roots. This process is very simple and easy to understand. If it's not, let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to clarify for you. So after every section I detangled, I just put each section into a big jumbo twist. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after I washed out the conditioner. I'm going to be using TGIN leave-in conditioner and also Eco Styler gel. So for the first step, you guys want to spray your hair with some water. Now I'm going to be using the leave-in. Now I'm going to be using Eco Styler gel. So basically, it's actually pretty simple. I just take some of the gel and just make sure it gets everywhere. I'm not doing any sections because it's kind of too late for that and I just want to go to sleep. So yeah, I'm just adding the gel to my hair. I'm not going to be doing any more editing up until this point in the video because I want to show you guys how long exactly it would take to get the gel all throughout my hair. Please enjoy the rest of the video and make sure to check out the description because everything I use will be linked in my description. And this is what my hair looks like. This is the end of my video. If you guys liked it, let me know in the comments. And of course, everything I use in this video will be linked in my description, so make sure to go check that out. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.